If you're planning on going on a road trip, the 5 things I would check would be the lights, wipers, fluids, batteries, and tires. Can I get a light check, please? Lights are good. Let me check the wiper blades real quick. Can you pop the hood for me so we can check the fluids? And we gotta check these fluid levels because if they're low, it can cause a lot of problems while driving down the road. Coolant fluid is good. Washer fluid is a little low, needs to be topped off. All right, let me check that battery also. Gotta make sure it has enough cold cranking amps. You don't wanna have a dead battery while you're traveling. Battery tested okay. And then we're gonna check your tires. At Firestone Complete Auto Care, we're here to help you complete your trip.